Hello and welcome to yet another Equity for Kicks video. Um, One of the most interesting stocks out there in the market, trading on Nasdaq, is Aytu Bio Inc. This will be a third or if not fourth coverage of this stock and this company, and but it's down 4.5% from yesterday, the 23rd of March 2020. Um, uh, we came across some piece of news somewhere concerning Aytu. Okay, that's it here. And this is from DBT News and says why Aytu Bio Inc. is a good choice for investors after new price target of $4.88. It jumped 0.15 and on 0.51 points on Monday, while shares were priced at $1.87 at the close of the session, up 37.5%. Aytu Bioscience Inc. stock is now 92.29, up from its year-to-date trading value. Aytu stock saw the intraday high of $1.99 and lowest of $1.65 per share. The company's 52-week price is $2.99, which means the current price is 457.88% above from the all-time high, which was recorded on the 10th of March 2020. Compared to the average trading volume of 11.26 million shares, Aytu reached a trading volume of 11.3 in the most recent trading day, which was yesterday, I guess, which is why market watchdogs consider the stock to be active. What do top of market gurus say about Aytu Bioscience Inc.? Based on careful and fact-based analysis by Wall Street experts, the current consensus on the target for Aytu shares is $4.88. Analysis on price target and performance of stocks is usually carefully studied by market experts. The current Wall Street consensus on Aytu is a recommendation set at $1.50. This represents a strong buy recommendation on a scale of 1 to 5, where 5 would mean strong sell, 4 represents sell, 3 is hold, 2 indicates buy. The average true range for Aytu Bioscience Inc. is set at 0.43, with the price to sale ratio for Aytu stock in the period of the last 12 months amounting to 14.14. The price to book ratio of the last quarter was 1.93, with the price to cash per share for the same quarter was set at 0.08. Has Aytu performed recently? It gained into the green zone at the end of last week, gaining into a positive trend and gaining by 18.35%. With the latest performance, Aytu shares gained by 408.34 in over the last 4-week period. Additionally, the plug-in day 38.52% over the last 6 months. Not to mention the rise of 4.47 in the last year of trading. Okay. Overbought and oversold, so the stocks can easily be traced with their relative strength index, where an RSI result over 70 will be overbought, and Any rate below 30 would indicate oversold conditions. An RSI rate at 50 would represent a neutral market momentum. The current RSI for Aytu in for the last 2-week period is set at 62.10. Okay, which means it is approaching over the overbought mark, which is 70. With the RSI for the last single trading hit at 63.70, and the last 3 weeks RSI set at 61.05 for Aytu Bio Inc. The present moving average for the last 50 days of trading for the stock is 0.8785, while it recorded a 1.50100 for the last single week for trading and 1.1809 for the last 200 days. Single moving average, I guess. That's what they were talking about over there. Okay, we will obviously put this link for you to read up. It's not that bad. Very interesting, especially the fact that there's now a price target of 488, but at the same time also it's also getting slightly overbought. It's now considered active according to this site. Alright, we have been updated on Aytu, and thank you for watching, and please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.